This class is for the standard 6 student, and yet we have completed the HCF, and the next topic is LCM. HCF was the highest common factor, and LCM is lowest common multiple, least common multiple. The number here used is least common multiple. So least means the smaller, the small. Common means whatever value which is common in both. And multiple is I have told you what is the multiple and what is the factor. So least common multiple between at least two number we have to learn to how we can find. So this is the topic where we have to find the LCM of the minimum two numbers, because LCM can be found within at least two number must be given. Okay, so what is a kind of multiple and what is a kind of factor? So if I talk about 3, table of 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. So we can write 6 3 into 2, we can write it 3 into 3, we can write it 3 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5, 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 is the number which can divide 9, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So, and here we can see 3 is also common here. We can see 3 in every factor. So the 3 is the factor of 6, 9, 12, 15 or 18, and 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 would be the multiple of 3. Okay, so from 3 to 6 if we go, then it is a multiple. From 6 to 3 if we go, it is a factor. Means if a number is given there and if we write them like this, then 3 is the factor and 2 is the factor. But so here the approach is from larger to smaller, so that is the kind of factor. But if we go about if we have to tell this statement in a reverse fashion, then we can tell this. We can say that 3 and 2 is a multiple of 6. If I explain you हिंदी, तो इसमें ये कह सकते हैं कि 3 का टेबल हमको आता है, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15. तो अगर आप 3 से जो 6 वैल्यू है इसको आप बोलोगे इट इज़ अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. ये 6 का क्या है, ये 6 क्या है, 3 का क्या है, मल्टीपल है. ठीक है, और ये 3 क्या है, बिकॉज 3 इज स्मॉलर वैल्यू. तो ये क्या है, ये फैक्टर है 6 का. तो स्मॉलर वैल्यू जो भी होगी, ठीक है, वॉट एवर वैल्यू दैट वुड बी स्मॉलर एंड दैट कैन डिवाइड द गिवन लार्जर नंबर, वो स्मॉलर वैल्यू जो दिए गए बड़े नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकती है. ठीक है, दिए गए बड़े नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकती है, वो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, वो वैल्यू हो जाएगी फैक्टर. और गिवन द लार्जर वैल्यू वुड बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ दैट फैक्टर. So if there would be a number which can divide the other number, then the larger number would be the multiple and the smaller number would be the factor. The larger number is the multiple and the smaller number would be factor. Okay, तो ये बात हो गई मल्टीपल क्या होते हैं और फैक्टर क्या होते हैं. एक बार आपका रिकॉल हो गया. ठीक है, वंस यू हैव रिकॉल्ड. Now what is a LCM? Okay, what is a LCM? And there are two methods to find the LCM. The first one is prime factorization method and the second is division method. So what is LCM? You will get understanding after solving the question. By definition, it would be kind of lengthy and you will not able to understand. So directly from the question, I will try to explain you what is the actually LCM, what is the mean of the least common multiple. Here we have to very clear what the word multiple is, and least and common you will realize very soon after seeing the example. Okay, so if the definition of multiple is clear, that would be very easy. Just see here, I will solve you further, but see the example. I will solve for you for further, but see this example. We have to find the LCM of 112 and 168 by the prime factorization method. The method name is prime factorization method. Prime factorization means we have to factorize the given number till what limit? Till the limit where until all numbers we will get is the prime number. Prime number are the number which is divisible from 1 and from itself only. Okay, like 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5 is the prime number, 7 is prime number, which cannot be divided from any other number. Okay, so from prime factorization method, 112 is here the unit place, at a unit place the 2 is here, and previously we have studied about the rules of divisibility. So we first try to divide it from the 2. From 2 it will be divisible. It will be divisible, and we will get the quotient 56. Okay, so in 56, now 56 can also be divisible from 2. In similar fashion, we have reached as it to this step. Now 2 7 ja 14, the quotient will be the 7. Okay, and 7 1 ja 7. So 112 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, 4 times 2 and 7. Okay, in similar way, from solving this 168, we got the value 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, now here ये कैसे स्टेप हो रहा है ये अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया. बट यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ से एलसीएम स्टार्ट होता है. ये वैल्यू जब आप ऑब्टेन कर लोगे, देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू राइट द एलसीएम ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. यू हैव टू राइट द एलसीएम ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. देन the how you can get the LCM. So you have to see here 2 is there, cut one value. Here the second 2, cut second 2, cut third 3, third 2, cut third 2. Now write it down 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now see here the 1 2 is remaining, but here there is no 2. Here the 7 is common, cut it. Now write it down. Now here the remaining value is 3 and the remaining value is 2. Write it down, 3 into 2. So this is the LCM. Means when we have to first find the prime factorization and write the common number first. First we have to write the common number. Then after we have to write the remaining numbers. And remaining number would be what? So these are the common numbers. This is the common number. Okay. So 2 2 ja 2 into 2. 8 7 3 ja 21 into 2. 16 into 21. इसको आप फर्दर सॉल्व करोगे तो आपका क्या आएगा? 16 1 जा 16, कैरी 1, 16 2 या 32, 3 36 आएगा. ठीक है, थ्री 36. यहाँ पे देखो आपको क्वेश्चन में ये 19 पता नहीं कहाँ से ऑब्टेन किया है. तो ये क्या है? ये रॉन्ग वैल्यू है. ये जो वैल्यू आपकी आ रही है क्या है, ये रॉन्ग है। और फर्दर अगर आप इसको वेरीफाई करना चाहते हो तो आप सिंपल, अभी मैं आपको एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ इसकी। आप एलसीएम, योर एलसीएम इज़ करेक्ट और नॉट, यू कैन फाइंड इट। ओके, divide the LCM from the given number. LCM divided by 112 equal to 336, 300, kind it, 336, 112. So 112 into 3 कितना आ जाएगा, 336 we will get. So further you will divide. So it is a completely divisible. Okay, from the second number LCM from the 168. So 336 from 168, just double it, 168 into 2. Okay, 336. So from 168 the LCM is divisible, from 112 the LCM is divisible. So this number we got 336 is the correct answer, not the value given here. This is the wrong, because here 19 comes. I think there is a kind of misprint here. So this is the wrong explanation and this is the correct explanation. Okay, so now how to get the prime factorization, just see here. 112. Okay, divide 11 from the, just like if we have to divide 112 from 2, so in what fashion we will divide? 2 5 are 10, remainder is 1, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. So the quotient will be here. Okay, now 56 can be divisible from 2, so further we have to divide 2 and 56. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 16, so 20, 2 8 ja, sorry, 2 8 ja, so 28 would be here. In similar way, we have to write the quotient here. We have to write quotient here. ठीक है, what is the quotient in a division? It is a dividend, it is a divisor. The value comes after the division, the quotient and the value. If there is a kind of any value other than 0, then that would be the remainder. ठीक है, now further we will divide in similar fashion, we will get 14. In similar fashion we divide, we get 7, and 7 would be completely divisible from 7 only. So the prime factorization would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, so this would be the prime factorization of 112. Now the next number, and what was the next number? 168 was the next number. So further similar way, go for 168. 168 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड करोगे, कैसे करोगे? 2 से, 2 8 या 16, 0, put the 8 as it is, 2 4 ja 8, remainder 0. Write here the quotient. Now divide further from 2, 42 comes here. Further divide from 2, 21 comes here. Further divide from 3, 7 comes here. Further divide from 7, 1 comes here. So we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This is the prime factorization. Why it is prime factorization? Because all numbers are prime number divisible from itself only, not from any other number. Okay, so 1 1 2 इस वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं, उससे थोड़ी हमें आसानी हो. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, now we have to find the LCM of these two number. So LCM would be, what it mean, least common multiple. देखो number, the word multiple is here so that the LCM would be the larger value than the 168 and 112, but it would be just larger, इससे थोड़ा सा ही बड़ा होगा, just larger value from 112 and 168. Okay, first we have to work on the word common. तो common के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक ये common, एक ये common, the second common is this, second common is this, third common, third common. Okay, now write the common values. 2 into 2 into 2, 7 is common, 7 is common. Okay, now what are the remaining number? 2 and 3 is the remaining. Write it down, 2 into 3. Further divide, further solve it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16 into 7 3 ja 21. Now further solve it. 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 300 or 36. So this number would be the LCM of 168 and 112. So by the prime factorization method, this would be the method so that LCM can be find. Okay, अब आप आगे चलो. तो LCM बाई कॉमन डिवीज़न मेथड. ठीक है, इसकी देखो सिंपल, आप पहले तो क्या करोगे, फ्रॉम अप टू द एक्सरसाइज 3.4 आई थिंक वी हैव सॉल्व ईयर. अगर हम लोगों ने यहाँ तक सॉल्व कर लिया है, वी हैव सॉल्व ईयर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 and 3. इफ ऑल 3 numbers we have solved, then in your fair copy start from the LCM. Just note down the topic name, least common multiple. Okay, then in your fair copy write down this information. There are two methods which are commonly used in LCM. Write this and write second point also. Just after start from the prime factorization method heading, write point 1 and write point 2. Okay, then after this example, in such a way I have told you, I have explained you have to write down. Then after you have to start from the LCM by the common division method. That would be the LCM from the factorization method, prime factorization method, and this is the method of the common division. Okay, and these are the rules to find the common division methods. These are the rule to find the LCM by the common division method. आपको ये भी अपनी फेयर कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लेना है, 1 2 3 4 और 5. ठीक है, इसको मैं एक बार एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. देखो, फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, अरेंज द नंबर इन अ रो सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा. ठीक है, पहले आप क्या करोगे, जो भी नंबर आपको दिए गए हैं, वॉट एवर नंबर्स यू हैव टू गिवन, 2 number 3 number 4 number, the number would be at least more than 2. So you have to arrange them. Okay, and either ascending descending doesn't matter, the order it doesn't matter, because you will see further, because there is no concern for the order, no kind of order, but just they have to be separated from the comma, like this. Second step, choose at least prime number that divides at least one of the given number. Now from the given number 102, 170, 136, you have to consider at least one prime number which can divide at least one number. ठीक है, so least prime number you have to choose and you have to divide at least one of the given number. Either you have to divide 102, 170 or 136. if you got a kind of prime number which can divide the all three numbers or all two numbers, then you will divide them. Divide the number by the number chosen in step 2. Carry forward the undivided number. Whatever numbers that are divisible, you have to write here, and the number which are not divisible, you have to also write here. I will explain you in what way you have to write. Repeat the process till the number left in a row is 1. Okay. Multiply all the prime divisor to get the LCM. और तब तक आपको रिपीट करना है जब तक यहाँ पे 1 ना आ जाए. ठीक है. अब देखो जैसे ये क्वेश्चन है तो कैसे कर रहे हैं ये. 102, 170, 136. So I think 2 would be the least prime number which can divide. So 2 से अगर आप 102 को डिवाइड करो तो what would be the quotient? Quotient would be the, आप डिवाइड करोगे तो quotient 51 आएगा. You have to divide from your own. 51 from the 170, if you have to divide, the quotient would be 85. Okay. Further, here you can divide from 2. So 51 is not divisible, so you write down 51 as it is. 85 is not divisible, write it down 85 as usually as it is. Here the value 68 can be divisible, 34 you have to write. Now go with the 51, 85, 17. Now take the value which can divide 51, 85, 17. At least one value can be divisible. So I will go with the 17. 17 5 ja 85 and 73 ja 51. Now we have to divide 3. 5 आ गया यहाँ पे, फिर 1, यहाँ पे 5 और 1. ठीक है. Now to obtain the LCM, you have to just write down these values. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 17 into 3 into 5. This value would be the LCM. If you will solve this value, you will get 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, and 8 5 ja 40 and 17 3 ja 51. So further you will multiply 4 1 ja 4. So this will be the LCM from the common division method. Common division method से ये LCM आ जाएगा. ठीक है. तो आपने दोनों मेथड देख लिया. दोनों आप अपनी नोटबुक पे लिख लोगे. दोनों you have to write it down in your notebook. Now there is a kind of formula which you have to remember. If there are two numbers, then product of the given number, product of two numbers would be equal to multiplication of HCF, highest common factor, and the LCM, least common multiple. ठीक है. ये होता है, ये फॉर्मूला होता है. ये कैसे प्रूव होगा ये यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कंसीडर द टू नंबर्स 18 and 24. Prime factorization of 18, you will get this number. Prime factorization of 24, you will get this number. HCF value would be what? The only common value. Only the common value is 2, 2. You have to write here 2. 3, 3. You have to write here 3. Now further, no 3 is here, so you will not write 3. No 2 into 2 is here, so you will not write this. So answer would be 6. Okay. To find the LCM, I have told you in this lecture, in such a way, by any method you will get the LCM. After getting the LCM, the value you will get, and you can see here the HCF and LCM. 6 into 72, product of HCF and LCM is 432. You will get. and product of the given number is 18 and 24, and also you will get the product of these number is same as it was at multiplication of HCF and LCM. Okay, so the product of LCM and HCM of the two natural number is equal to the product of the given number. So this is the formula, and whenever in question the HCF, LCM and at least one number is given, the second number can be found from the this formula. More precisely, you can write this formula is in such a way: first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay, now you have to attempt and solve the exercise 3.5 in your notebook. First you will try to solve in your rough copy. If you are enough confident that in a first go you can solve correctly, then start from the fair copy. Okay, and if you are not confident, then first solve in the rough copy and then after go with the fair. So you can solve this question, you can solve this question. And the third one is the product of two number is the product of two number is given, then multiplication of two number is given. HCF is given, you have to find the LCM. So product is 15870, HCF वैल्यू आपको दिया हुआ है, LCM यू हैव टू फाइंड. HCF क्या है 21, 29 दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करोगे, इक्वेशन एक बन जाएगी आपकी. द इक्वेशन यू विल गेट इज HCF 23 into LCM, and from here you can obtain the value of the LCM. So I have helped you from here, but answer you have to find and note down in your fair copy. Okay, thank you.